Now let us take and advance some problems here. पहला क्वेश्चन दिया इसमें तो दोनों क्वेश्चन आपको दिए हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस हैं. Try both the questions at your home, then we'll discuss solution of both question together. तो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है, लिख लीजिए. The correct statement या statements pertaining to the adsorption of a gas on a solid surface is are. ऑप्शन ए दिया है adsorption is always exothermic. ऑप्शन बी दिया है physisorption may transform to chemisorption at high temperature. ऑप्शन सी दिया है physisorption increase with rise of temperature while chemisorption decrease with rise of temperature. डी ऑप्शन दिया है chemisorption is more exothermic than physisorption but slow. Then second question, write both the questions. अगला क्वेश्चन है choose the correct statement या statements for the stability of the lyophobic salts. ऑप्शन ए दिया है preferential adsorption of ions on their surface from solution. ऑप्शन बी दिया है preferential adsorption of solvent on surface from solution. सी ऑप्शन दिया है attraction between the different particles having opposite charges on their surface. ऑप्शन डी दिया है potential difference between fixed layer and diffuse layer of opposite charges around the colloidal particles. So try both the questions and then we see solution. Now coming to solution part. पहला दोनों आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस है. They may have more than one correct option. Adsorption इसमें देखिए पहले क्या है, adsorption is always exothermic. Yes पूछा ना correct, तो it is correct statement. Physisorption may transform to chemisorption at high temperature because at high temperature chemical reaction is possible between the substance or reactant particles adsorb on surface. See the physisorption increase with rise of temperature. It is wrong statement because with rise in temperature physisorption decrease while chemisorption first increase then decrease. So option C is incorrect. Chemisorption is more exothermic than physisorption but slow. It is correct. In chemisorption what happens? They form strong chemical bonds between the dispersed phase and medium, so they will release more energy in strong bond formation as compared to physisorption where they form weak van der Waals interactions. इसमें अगला क्वेश्चन दिया है चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. यहाँ पे क्या स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ लायोफोबिक सॉल्ट्स पूछा है. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स इन दिस केस देखिए हाउ द लायोफोबिक सॉल्ट्स आर स्टेबलाइज्ड बाय हैविंग सम टिपिकल चार्जेस. पहला दिया preferential adsorption of ions on surface from solution. It is correct. Depending whichever ion slight excess are taken from them some excess. Preferential adsorption of solvent, no, they don't adsorb solvent. Attraction between different particles having opposite charges on surface, no, they adsorb one kind of ions from solution only. C is not correct. Option D, there potential difference between fixed layer of and diffuse layer of opposite charges around the colloidal particles. Option D is correct. It is called as zeta potential. This term is called as zeta potential that arise between the fixed layer and diffuse layer. Fixed layer means PPD formation. Diffuse layer means which can have ions. So that is the correct statement. So we can have option A and D correct for this question. Let us take next question now. Now write next question. The given graphs or data 1, 2, 3, 4 represents general trends observed in different physisorption and chemisorption process under the mild conditions of temperature and pressure. आप लोग क्वेश्चन नोट करो आराम से. Which of the choices are correct here? इसमें x दिया है amount of gas adsorb and temperature ग्राफ. ये ग्राफ 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है और ये 4th है. 4th यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, स्पेस नहीं यहाँ पे, that is 4th ग्राफ. x and t प्रेशर कांस्टेंट. x and t, x क्या है अमाउंट ऑफ गैस एडसॉर्ब, प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है. यहाँ पर दिया है x and p डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर वैल्यूज. यहाँ पे दिया है ग्राफ इज गिवन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी वर्सेस दिस इज गिवन हियर डिस्टेंस ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम सरफेस. यहाँ पे दिया है डेल्टा H 150 किलो जूल्स. ये डेल्टा E दिया है रिएक्शन के लिए. फिर इसमें ऑप्शन क्या क्या दिया है आपको चूज करना है. वन इज फिजिसॉर्प्शन एंड सेकंड इज केमिसॉर्प्शन. केमी इन आई एम राइटिंग शॉर्ट हियर, केमिसॉर्प्शन एज केमी एंड फिजिसॉर्प्शन एज फिजी ओनली. तो One is Fiji option, second is Cambridge option. Option B दिया, one is Fiji option, third is Cambridge option. C दिया, fourth is Cambridge option, second is Cambridge option. D दिया, fourth is Cambridge option, and third is also Cambridge option. Are the four choices given? Select from here the correct answer. Try this question yourself. Now let's come on solution part. This graph is indicating first amount of gas adsorbed at constant pressure with temperature decrease. One indicate here Fiji's option. Graph 1 is indicating Fiji's option. Further you can take here with rising temperature X increase, there should be Cambridge option. Second should be Cambridge option. Then again we take here with rising pressure X is increasing, but when we take rising temperature higher, less amount of gas adsorbed, that means this should be example of only Fiji's option. Graph 1 and 3 are indicating Fiji's option. 4 देखते हैं. This graph is indicating chemical reaction. This graph is indicating chemical reaction where there is first means this is at they are attacking here, approaching, and then they form chemical compound formation, indicating Cambridge option only. So graph 4th also indicate Cambridge option. You can take here 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are Fiji options. 1 and 3 is Fiji option. No option is correct here. In this, second and fourth are Cambridge option. Second and 4 is Cambridge option. And now you can match cross one Fiji option, yes, and then second Cambridge option, yes. Option A is also correct. Third is not Cambridge option. Third is Fiji option. So in this case, the correct choices will be either answers option A and option C. थोड़ा क्वेश्चन लिखकर आराम से नोट कर लीजिए and then see the solution. I hope it is clear. Now let us take next question. Now we take next question here. Question आप लिखिए, write down the question. When O2 is adsorbed on metallic surface, electron transfer occurs from metal to O2. Full stop. The true statements regarding this is are. Option A दिया है O2 is Fiji absorbed. Option B दिया है heat is released. Option C दिया है occupancy of pi star 2p orbital of O2 is increased. Option D दिया है bond length of O2 is increased. So in this case, select the correct statement. Try this question yourself. Now coming on solution, see when there is electron transfer from metal to O2, क्या बनेगा आपका? Metal have plus charge, O2 have negative charge. So what happen? O2 negative ion, this ion is called as superoxide ion. In this O2 molecule, we have electrons, 2 electrons in the pi star 2p orbitals. They will contain one more electron, so occupancy of pi star 2p orbital of O2 is increased. Apply in this case molecular orbital theory. So option C is correct. O2 have bond order 2. It will have bond order how much? 1.5. So there is decrease in bond order, so there is increase in bond length. Correct. In any kind of adsorption, the heat is released. And when there is chemical reaction because of electron transfer, it's chemical reaction, so it will be a Cambridge option. So option A is not the correct answer. Okay. Now let us take next question now. Now at next question. Question we have 1 gram charcoal adsorbs 100 ml of 0.5 molar CH3COOH to form a monolayer, thereby decrease the concentration of CH3COOH to 0.49 moles per liter. Calculate the surface area of charcoal adsorbed by each molecule of acetic acid. Full stop. Given the surface area of charcoal is 3.01 into 10 to power 2 meter square per gram. Read the question carefully and try yourself. Now coming on solution part of this question. To solve this question, कह दिया 1 gram charcoal adsorb 100 ml of 0.5 molar CH3COOH to form monolayer, thereby decrease the concentration of CH3COOH to 0.49 moles per liter. Now in this case, what is initial concentration and initial moles? Of CH3COOH? मोलरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम इन लीटर्स, कितना दिया आपको मोलरिटी 0.5 इनटू वॉल्यूम दिया आपको 100 ml, दैट इज हाउ मच लीटर 0.1. नाउ व्हाट इज मोल्स रिमेनिंग, molarity is 0.49, volume of solution to remain constant 0.1 liter only, that is 0.049. So what is moles of CH3COOH adsorbed, कितना आएगा 0.05 minus 0.049, that is how much 0.001. So molecules adsorb 0.001 into Avogadro's number, it is 6 into 10, 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 molecules are adsorbed. Now how much is charcoal given? 1 gram charcoal have how much in this case surface area, तो पूछा गया इसमें calculate surface area of charcoal adsorbed by each molecule. These many molecules are adsorbed on 1 gram charcoal, so we can take here area occupied by area per molecule will be how much, total area by the number of molecules in 1 gram charcoal. This is how much, 1/2, so 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 meter square become answer for this question. I hope it is clear. बहुत सिंपल है, कितने आपके मोल्स थे स्टार्टिंग में, कितने मोल्स बचे रहेंगे, कितने मोल्स कंज्यूम होंगे, आपको निकाल लीजिए. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनटू एवोगाड्रो नंबर क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. ये कितने उसमें एडजॉर्ब हो रहे हैं, एक 1 ग्राम चारकोल के लिए उसका एरिया कितना दिया, 1 ग्राम चारकोल में इतना है, तो दिस मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑक्यूपाई दिस मच एरिया, तो पर मॉलिक्यूल दे ऑक्यूपाई हाउ मच एरिया, एरिया अवेलेबल बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इज योर आंसर. क्लियर हुआ? लेट अस टेक वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन बिफोर द चैप्टर इज क्लोज. नाउ राइट अवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन. देखिए 20% ऑफ सरफेस साइड्स आर ऑक्यूपाइड बाय N2 molecules. The density of surface sites is 6.023 into 10 to the power 14 per centimeter square, and total surface area is 1000 centimeter square. The catalyst is heated to 300 Kelvin while N2 is completely desorbed into a pressure of 0.001 atmosphere and volume of 2.46 cubic centimeter. Find the number of active sites occupied by each N2 molecule. Read the question carefully and try yours. Now coming on solution part, you can solve this question. First we can find here number of nitrogen molecules. First find the moles of nitrogen using PV upon RT equation. Then what is number of N2 molecules? प्रेशर आपको दिया है N2 के लास्ट में 0.001 एटमॉस्फेयर, वॉल्यूम 2.46 cc टेकन लीटर्स, R.0821 टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन स्केल इनटू एवोगाड्रोस नंबर. ये आएगा पहले नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनटू एवोगाड्रो नंबर इज नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. इफ यू कैलकुलेट दिस नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स दे आर कमिंग 6.017 into 10 to the power 16, 0.6.016. अब निकाल लीजिए, इतना आंसर को आएगा इसके लिए पहला पार्ट का वैल्यू. इतने हमारे दिया है नंबर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स. अब देखते हैं कितना हमारे पास साइट्स एक्टिव अवेलेबल है. यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ साइट्स, सरफेस साइट्स कितना आपका होगा, ये आपका दिया डेंसिटी इनटू एरिया 6.023 into 10 to the power 14 into 1000, that right here 17. कैसे? पर the number of sites given is 6.023 into 10 to the power 14 sites per centimeter square area given 1000 centimeter square, so 1000 into this value will be this much. There are number of sites total available. Now how many sites are occupied? Number of sites occupied is 20%, will be how much? So 6.023 into 10 to power 17 into 20% are the number of sites occupied in this case. ये आपका आएगा number of sites occupied. That on solving you can get this value 12.04 approximately into 10 to power I can write here. Can calculate here कितना आएगा इसमें? 16. There are sites occupied. There are molecules available here. So what is number of sites occupied per molecule? Occupied per molecule कितना आएगा इसमें? Total sites 12.04 into 10 to power 16 divided by 6.016 into 10 to power 16. On solving this value is coming how much? We can take nearly 2. 2 is the answer of this question. 2 is the answer for this question. So I hope it is clear this question, and chapter is bit theoretical, more theoretical. Anyway, there are several questions given to you to make application part clear. कोई भी question आपको दिया, read the question thoroughly. You can definitely approach the question correctly. Okay? चलिए, let us meet sometime for next topic.